Hello my dear students. So today we are going to learn Standard 8's first poem, that is A Time to Believe, written by B.J. Morbitzer. Before we start with our poem, let us learn more about B.J. Morbitzer, about what all things he has written, which all poems he has written and what all he has done. Okay? Let us know something about B.J. Morbitzer, the author. That is, B.J. Morbitzer was named as Robert Joe Morbitzer. It was his nickname, B.J. Morbitzer. He is a contemporary poet residing in Grove City, that is Ohio. You know, children, he was a former Army Ranger, Special OPS in North Carolina. He has written many poems, that is, You Still Have Hope, Remind Me God, Steadfast Heart, I Am a Soldier in the Army of God, Hello God, etc. etc. Let us start with the first paragraph, that is, A Time to Believe. That is, to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Means, हमें विश्वास करना चाहिए कि हर रोज़ एक नई शुरुआत होती है. Is to trust that miracle happens and dreams really do come true. That is, हमें भरोसा करना चाहिए कि चमत्कार होते हैं और सपने भी सच होते हैं. Okay? Next one. To believe is to see angels dancing among the cloud. To believe is to see angels dancing among the cloud. That is, हमें ये विश्वास रखना चाहिए कि बादल के बीचों बीच में फरिश्ते is what? The angels are dancing among the cloud. Means the farishtehs are dancing. Okay? To know the wonder of stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. That is what? Stardust sky is what? How Amir Khan lands down from that spaceship. The same way. And one day we will see the man in the moon as we have seen. Okay? Let us come to the next paragraph, that is, the third paragraph, that is, to believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eye, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teaching we learn to love. So beautifully the author has written, it is just they want to say that जो हमारी कदर करते हैं, that is, हमारे मॉम डैड हुए या हमारे दादा दादी हुए, जो हमें दिल से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, हमें उनकी कदर करनी चाहिए, उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए और हमेशा उनको भी उतना ही प्यार देना चाहिए जितना वो हमारे पे करते हैं, हमारे पे भरोसा करते हैं. ओके? To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. हमें हमारे भीतरी आत्मा को जगा कर हमें यह पता करना चाहिए कि हमारे में कितनी strength है, ताकत. Okay? And the courage that we have within us. हम अगर अपनी भीतरी इटर्नल आत्मा को सर्च करेंगे तो then we will understand कि हमारे में कितनी ताकत है, करेज है सारी दुनिया से लड़ने के लिए. When it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. जब हम टूट कर चूर चूर हो जाते हैं और कौन से टाइम पे हमें उठकर उन्हीं लोगों को दिखाना है कि how much we can do and we can get a success. To believe is to know we are never alone. That life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Here, the author wants to tell us that हमें विश्वास रखना चाहिए कि हम अकेले नहीं हैं. प्रॉब्लम सभी के लाइफ में होती है, बट हमें उसे उठकर फाइट करना चाहिए. वो प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करके इससे निकल कर आना चाहिए. दैट इज़ अ लाइफ वंस वी गेट. लाइफ इज़ अ गिफ्ट, तो उसे खुश रहकर बिताओ. ओके? लास्ट पैराग्राफ. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. That means the author wants to tell us कि हमें विश्वास रखना चाहिए कि अद्भुत आश्चर्य चीज़ जो होने वाले हैं. Wonderful surprises means what? We will get a wonderful surprises if we try hard. If we try very hard, we will just get surprises, that is we will achieve success in our life. Okay, and all our hopes and dreams, जो भी आशाएं हैं, जो भी सपने हैं हमारे, जो हम कभी कभी सोचते हैं कि हमारे बियॉन्ड रीच है, दैट वी कैन मेक इट ट्रू, विद इन रीच कर सकते हैं, इफ़ ओनली वी बिलीव. ओके, सो बिलीव इज़ द मेन मोटो ऑफ इट, अ टाइम टू बिलीव. टाइम रहते हमारे बिलीव को सच करना. दिस ऑथर जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल अस द सेम थिंग, दैट इज B.J. Morbitzer want us to tell about all these things. I hope you understood the explanation of. Let us start with the warming up. Here they have given us the option which shows the positive and the negative things. We have to write all the positive attitude in the column. Okay. Now here they have given us acrostic word. Acrostic means a meaningful word which we have to write it vertically, and we have to make each particular alphabet's word, or we have to frame a sentence of that word. Okay. Now here we have to rearrange the letter to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. Here they have given us jumbled words. We have to arrange it in a meaningful word. Next is write word from poem that describes the following. Describes is we have to search the adjective words, that is stardust, sky, and etc. which they have given. Next, say why, that is the sky has a magical quality because the angels are dancing among the cloud in the beautiful sky. Same way the second and third, I have given you the answer, you can copy it down. Hope you understood. Okay. Next, make a list of any 6 things that poet want us to accept as true. And they have given us many certain sentences in the poem itself, that is every day brings new hope and possibility, miracles happen, dream comes true, and etc. Next is we have to find the positive qualities and we have to fill in the where, that is belief, trust, hope, courage, strength, as I have given. Next is find out from the poem 3 examples of epigram. Epigram means the proverb or the truth which we cannot say directly. Okay, I have given you 3 examples of it. I will explain you epigram in my next session in detail. Okay. I hope you understood the explanation of the poem A Time to Believe by B.J. Morbitzer.